Make a great choice today with the 2014 Focus. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a 6-speed manual transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, stability control, sports suspension, fog lights, braking assist, power brakes. Inside you'll find cruise control, child safety locks, power door locks, power steering, cargo area light, compass, trip odometer. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a Carfax Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the Carfax Buyback Guarantee.